Today we are going to see about the crystal structure, unit cell and the types of unit cells. So let's start. Basically crystal structure, it is described in two terms. So we are going to classify the crystal structure in two terms, that is the lattice and the basis. What is the lattice? It is an ordered, it is a pattern of arrangement. It is a pattern of arrangement. Pattern of arrangement of constituent particles of constituent particles. So basically how the particles are arranged in what pattern? It can be a cuboid, it can be a tetragonal structure, hexagonal. So what is the pattern of arrangement? That term is known as what? Lattice. And what is the basis? It what we arrange, that what we are arranging, that is it is a atom, it is an atom or group of atom that we arrange. Okay, it is a atom or a group of atom that we arrange. So basically an atom that we are arranging is known as what? Basis. And basis tells us what to repeat to get a crystal, what a pattern of a lattice should be repeated in order to get the crystal. Okay guys, so now we have studied about the crystal structure and now we will study about the unit cell. So basically what is a unit cell? It is the smallest particle of a crystalline solids. Okay, so the smallest repeating structural unit of a crystalline solid is called the unit cell. Okay, like atom is the smallest part of a smallest unit of a matter, unit cell is what? It is the smallest structural unit of a crystalline solid. Okay, and basically the structure of a unit cell, what the shape of unit cell depends on the structure of a crystalline solid. For example, if a crystalline solid is of cubic structure, okay, if it is of a cubic structure, then the structure of unit cell will be also what? It will also be a cubic. Okay, so now we have studied about the unit cell and now we will study about the types of unit cell. So now we have looked at what is the unit cell and now we are going to study about the types of unit cell. So basically there are four types of unit cell, as you can see: the primitive unit cell, body centered unit cell, phase centered unit cell, the phase centered unit cell. So let's take about the information each one. So the what is the primitive simple unit cell? It is a unit cell in which the constant particles are present in the corners only. Okay, so the constant particles are present in the corners only. Okay, so as you can see, the corners, there are only particles at the corners. Okay, so that is known as what? It is known as simple unit cell. Okay, and in the body centered unit cell, it is a unit cell in which the constant particles are present in the corners as well as at the center of the body. Okay, so it will have a particles at the corners. Okay, so it will have a particles at the corners and one particle will be in the center of the body, as you can assume that one particle will be at the center of the body. Okay, and now the face centered unit cell, in this the constant particles will be at the corners as well as the center of each and every face. Okay, so in this the particles will be present at the corners and at every face. Okay, and in the base centered, what will happen? In the base centered, it will have a particles at the corners and at every two opposite face. Okay, so now we have looked about the types of unit cell and the written information will be given to you on this side by a photo, so please note it down. Okay, so now we have completed the types unit cell. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.